In conventional perimeter protection solutions, alarms can be triggered by moving 3D lamps, rolling balls, small scurrying animals, and changes in lighting or shadows. Security staff in monitoring centers can spend hours handling false alarms like these, finding it hard to focus on real threats in monitored areas. Powered by deep learning, Hikvision AcuSense solution ensures alarms are triggered only by people or vehicles, filtering out other targets. With minimized false alarms, security staff can focus on what really matters. With Hikvision's AcuSense solution, a monitoring center can safely monitor a much larger area with vastly improved efficiency.